there we go. It's flying. It's pretty scary. No GPS. Wow. You can feel the power in this thing though. Look at that punch out. Oh yeah. Shit. And there goes props.
So from my perspective at the time,
Wow.
all I saw was the red prop just
That was
come off
interesting.
and the drone fall. That was it.
That was interesting. Wow. Well, yeah.
Cue the sad music.
Tell you. That is unfortunate. You know what's sad? There was no good reason for that. Prop just flew off. Prop just flew off. Wow. And now it wants to still go here. Okay, great. This is not good. Okay. Well.
The sad tale of another middle-aged man and his broken electronic toy. Pity him, for
Hopefully
he
there's some
is a
good video.
fool. And no, there was no good video. Damn you. Damn you, RC Logger.